Are you listening? Yeah.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Kaushik. Although smartphones is our go-to device in today's world, computers are still the most important device for real productivity and complex tasks. Lots of our files are stored on our computer, but the problem arises when some of those files are deleted by mistake or anyway, and we want to get back those files. Don't worry, you can do that. I am here to tell you exactly that. How can you recover deleted files on Windows 10? So let's jump into it. On Windows 10, you have various ways to recover any deleted file. If you accidentally modified or deleted any file or folder, you can restore it from a previous version. So to do that, right click on the file or folder which you want to restore, then select the restore previous version option. And here you can see the available previous version of the folder is showing here. Now select the version and click open to preview before you restore. And after that click on restore to get the version back. But for some files this feature is not work properly. So if it also not working for you, then the next process is definitely works. File history is Windows 10's main backup tool. This is not just a way to restore the previous version of files. It's a fully featured backup tools. So to get advantage of this feature, you have to set it up first. Go to the setting, select update and security and click on the backup option. Now click on this add a drive option and it will list external drives and give you the option to back up to them. File history automatically backs up your files every hour by default. But you can also select any different time by just clicking on this more option and advanced settings. So this way you can easily restore all of the deleted files from this file history backup. But if you don't have any backup of your files for any reasons, then the last but not the least and most advanced way to restore your deleted files is the next option. If you are unable to restore your deleted files with the previous methods, then you can try this method. In this method, you have to install a third-party software called Disk Drill to restore your deleted files. So go to the website of the software and download Disk Drill and install it on your computer. After installing it, open the software and here you can see all of the drives are showing here. Choose the one where you want to recover files from, then click on scan and it will show you the list of the files available to recover. Select all of the required files and folders and click on recover. And that's it, all of your deleted files and folders will be retrieved immediately. And at last I want to say these are not the bestest or only tools to do this task. Even I can say that no tool is perfect to do any task. But if it works for you, then probably is the best option for you. So which one you like most to recover deleted files? Let me and others know in the comment section below. And if you find this video helpful, then share it with your friends and family on Facebook and Twitter. And of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this one. Okay, that's pretty much it for now. Thank you for watching and I will talk to you guys into the next one.